Here's a video of this Hunter Avia 2 ceiling fan that is located in the upstairs bedroom of my old house. This fan replaced a light fixture. I remember it. So let me tell you what the light looked like. Turn the switch on. I'm going to turn the switch on because it's probably going to start on a different speed, so wait one quick second. Alright, so as I was saying, so let's go up there and show you it. Has blade finish weathered Barnwood. It's a walnut. And up here is everything. And then here's the canopy. There's the sticker on the motor. Trim. Get it for you guys. You probably weren't able to read it, but I'll try and fix that. So here's the Hunter logo. It's stuck in reverse. I have to take off this light to reverse it, but I'm not gonna mess with it because the renters installed it. The light that used to be in here was this white one. It was not one that had a finial in the middle. It was just a smooth round globe with some texture on it. Alright, enough with the fan now. Well, I mean, enough with talking now. I'll do the fan. There's the light. I'm going to dim it up for you. I don't like the programming, so let's start with low. It's an updraft. Please don't. The channel random's gonna be and say, if I were you, I'd show it on downdraft. Because he's done that to me millions of times. Once at my cousin's old house, there was Hunter Avia Holland, and I was trying to. And I couldn't find the reverse switch. Well, the reverse switch is actually on the top of the fan. Found that out after I left. But the reverse switch is jammed. Like, it needs to be relubricated or something because I can't reverse it. No matter how hard I press, try to turn it, it doesn't work. Medium. I have one of these in my collection. I got it from the people who used to live here. They were going to replace the key port, but they changed their mind, so I'll probably buy a fan for them to replace the key port. Then maybe I'll get the key port. I don't know. Here's high speed. Doesn't go very fast, and I can't feel air because it gets really, really hot in here during the summer. I can tell. They had to put up. Go up here. I can feel some air up here. So yeah, that's the Hunter Avia 2 ceiling fan. Let me stop it real quick. That's the Hunter Avia 2 ceiling fan in my old house in the bedroom.